Xiaomi is expected to announce the Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro as the world's first phones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset in October in China. Its sub-brand, Redmi, will also introduce the Redmi K80 and K80 Pro, equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Gen 4 chipsets. Tipster Digital Chat Station released a Weibo post revealing key information about the alleged Redmi K80 Pro. The Redmi K80 Pro is expected to feature a flat OLED panel with 2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The design is sleek with a single punch hole and thin bezels, and it integrates an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. Under the hood, the Redmi K80 Pro will likely be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. On the back, the phone will sport a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel primary camera with a large sensor and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens supporting 3x optical zoom. In terms of battery life, the Redmi K80 Pro is expected to have a 5,500 mAh battery with support for 120-watt fast charging. There is also speculation that the K80 and K80 Pro may be rebranded as the Poco F7 and F7 Pro in markets outside of China in 2025. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.